Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are making banana bread but with a fun twist. We are using a Bundt cake cavity tray to create a unique and beautiful shape and choco chip for that delicious flavor. Let's dive right into the recipe. In a large mixing bowl, add oil, then add sugar. Using a hand mixer, mix sugar and oil until well combined. Then add eggs and mix for 2 minutes till well combined. As we mix, the color of the egg and sugar will start to change from dark brown to light brown. At this stage, add flour along with baking powder and baking soda. Using hand mixer, gently combine everything on low speed. Then add half of milk and mix again. Using spatula, bring out flour from sides and mix it in batter. Add some milk and continue to mix. Add some milk again and keep mixing. Batter is combining well and already has a creamy texture. Add vanilla extract and mix further until just combine. Let's check. Give a gentle stir and see the consistency of the batter. Batter has dropping consistency, which is good and has combined well. Now add mashed bananas. Gently fold in mashed bananas. Don't overmix the batter. Before we add choco chips, lightly coat them in flour to avoid sinking and for the better moisture absorption. Flour has coated well. Add the coated choco chips in batter and gently mix. Don't overmix it. Lightly grease a Bundt cavity tray and spoon batter into each cavity filling about 2/3 full. Pop fill tray in a preheated oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees centigrade for about 25 to 30 minutes. It has been 25 minutes. Let's check. The aroma in the kitchen is irresistible. And here it is, fresh out of the oven. Our banana bread is ready. Allow banana bread to cool in baking tray. Once at room temperature, remove from tray. Wow, this looks so delicious. And it's beautifully shaped too. Enjoy it with a simple glaze or just plain with tea or coffee. I hope you enjoyed this banana bread recipe today. Let me know how it turned out for you in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it too. And of course, subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy baking!